Hi everyone, I wanted to send you a quick video to kind of give you a short tutorial about how to change your profile picture in Blackboard. One of the assignments that I've asked you to do over the weekend through the email message I sent out was to just change your profile picture in Blackboard so that it's easier and faster for me to start memorizing faces with their appropriate names. So once you log into Blackboard and you're on your dashboard here where all your current courses are, I want you to come over to the side and click on your name, and then you'll come to your biographical page. It has your name, your email address, some other information there, your A number, that's an important number. But in the circle, if you hover over the circle, you'll see a pencil. If you'll click on the pencil, it'll give you the window to change your profile picture. So you can just click on Upload New Picture and then choose whatever picture you want from the device that you're using, and it'll populate that photo in your profile. If you have any trouble at all uploading your profile picture to your Blackboard account, please email me. Anytime you have any kind of Blackboard issues that you need to email me about, screenshots are always best, especially if you get any kind of error message. That way I can clearly see what the problem is and I can help you solve it as quickly as possible. Again, email me. It is the fastest way to get in touch with me and to get the answers that you need. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good weekend.